Scientists investigate that which already is. I am not very satisfied with my theory of thermoelectricity. I never failed in mathematics. Before I was 15, I had mastered differential and integral calculus. The whole of science is nothing more than a refinement of everyday thinking. It is the theory that decides what can be observed.
Everyone who is seriously involved in the pursuit of science becomes convinced that some spirit is manifest in the laws of the universe, one that is vastly superior to that of man. In this way, the pursuit of science leads to a religious feeling of a special sort, which is surely quite different from the religiosity of someone more naive. The scientist finds his rewards in what Henri Poincaré calls the joy of comprehension, and not in the possibilities of application to which any discovery may lead. To his sons, I am actually glad that neither of you dedicated yourselves to science, because it is a hard thing, full of difficult and futile work. This world is a strange madhouse. Currently, every coachman and every waiter is debating whether relativity theory is correct. When I have no special problem to occupy my mind, I love to reconstruct proofs of mathematical and physical theorems that have long been known to me. There is no goal in this, merely an opportunity to indulge in the pleasant occupation of thinking. The real goal of my research has always been the simplification and unification of the system of theoretical physics. The progress of science presupposes the possibility of unrestricted communications of all results and judgments, freedom of expression and instruction in all realms of intellectual endeavor. This evening I sat 2 hours at the window and thought about how the law of interaction of molecular forces could be determined. The process of scientific discovery is, in effect, a continual flight from wonder.
People like us, who believe in physics, know that the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. The grand aim of all science is to cover the greatest number of empirical facts by logical deduction from the smallest number of hypotheses or axioms. Why does this magnificent applied science, which saves work and makes life easier, bring us so little happiness? The simple answer runs, because we have not yet learned to make sensible use of it. In science, moreover, the work of the individual is so bound up with that of his scientific predecessors and contemporaries that it appears almost as an impersonal product of his generation. It has become appallingly obvious that our technology has exceeded our humanity. Our entire much-praised technological progress, and civilization generally, could be compared to an axe in the hand of a pathological criminal. Concern for man and his fate must always form the chief objective of all technological endeavors. In order that the creations of our minds shall be a blessing and not a curse to mankind. Never forget this in the midst of your diagrams and equations. Yes, we have to divide up our time like that, between our politics and our equations. But to me our equations are far more important, for politics are only a matter of present concern. A mathematical equation stands forever. I assert that the cosmic religious experience is the strongest and the noblest driving force behind scientific research. Equations are more important to me, because politics is for the present, but an equation is something for eternity. Pure mathematics is, in its way, the poetry of logical ideas.